Hey, Hiram Guardiola here. Welcome to a sneak peek in Loganville, Georgia. This is 4320 Center Hill Church. Come on in.
Located in the northwestern part of Walton County, Georgia, just south of Loganville, and only 8 minutes from Highway 78, is this fabulous over 11-acre renovated farmhouse ranch home. 4320 Center Hill Church Road is a well-appointed 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with plenty of acreage for you and your family. As you enter the home's foyer from the quintessential southern front porch, your eyes are drawn to the gleaming new floors throughout. The large open great room with vaulted ceilings and cozy stone fireplace are perfect for relaxing after a long day. Beyond the great room, you will find the large formal dining room with shiplap accent wall and a window that overlooks your private and expansive farm-like backyard. The eat-in area merges right into the gourmet kitchen, complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and white cabinets with tons of space. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee or help the kids with their homework while cooking dinner at the breakfast bar. Now let's head down the one-story hallway to the primary suite, boasting a shiplap faux fireplace and barn doors that lead into the spacious master bath, complete with his and hers vanity and oversized walk-in shower with rainfall shower head to enjoy a hot steam after a long day. Next, we find 2 good-sized secondary bedrooms and a lovely secondary bathroom with tub and shower. The 4th bedroom ensuite with combination bath and shower is perfect for those out-of-town guests. Now let's head out to the backyard, where you will find an oversized deck perfect for weekend entertaining, a fire pit to cozy up to on a cold fall evening, and an above-ground pool perfect to splash around for some summer fun. With everyone talking eggs today, off the home to the right you will also find the cutest 10x20 chicken coop. Current occupants are happily laying their eggs, just waiting to be collected for your morning breakfast. Additionally located on the property are 2 separate outbuildings with tons of storage. There's a half-acre fenced paddock with concrete poured pad. Just add your fencing and bring your horses to roam the back pasture. With easy access to downtown Loganville for shopping or a night out for dining with your sweetie, 4320 Center Hill Church Road is the perfect place to call home. Contact Realtor Hiram Guardiola at 770-983-8976 for more information about this exquisite find.